Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this service. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at RAKBANK, accessible online at www.rakbank.ae. RAKBANK, short for the National Bank of Ras Al Khaimah, is a prominent financial institution operating in the United Arab Emirates. This overview will delve into the various services and offerings available through their website and explore what makes them stand out in the competitive UAE banking landscape. Navigating to www.rakbank.ae, you'll find a user-friendly interface providing access to a comprehensive suite of banking solutions. Whether you're looking for personal banking options like current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards, or seeking business banking services tailored to your company's needs, RAKBANK offers a variety of choices. Their digital platform allows for convenient online account management, including fund transfers, bill payments, and even investment options. Beyond the standard banking products, RAKBANK often features promotional offers and specialized financial packages designed to cater to specific customer demographics. These can include exclusive deals on loans, mortgages, and investment opportunities. It's worthwhile to regularly check their website for updates on these limited-time offers. Their commitment to customer service is also apparent through their readily accessible contact information and online support channels. Furthermore, RAKBANK's website often features resources such as financial calculators and educational materials aimed at empowering customers to make informed financial decisions. RAKBANK's online presence at www.rakbank.ae serves as a central hub for all your banking needs. From everyday transactions to more complex financial planning, they strive to provide a seamless and secure digital experience. Exploring their website provides a clear picture of the breadth of their services, encompassing everything from personal finance management to robust corporate banking solutions. Their emphasis on digital innovation is also evident in their mobile banking app and other online tools. So, head over to www.rakbank.ae today to discover how RAKBANK can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember to check the description below for all the relevant links.